Role play 5, discussion at stationery shop.
Mansoor and Farhan are very close friends. They work in the same office. One day, Mansoor goes to the stationery shop without informing Farhan. Farhan notices this and asks Mansoor about this. They talk as follows.
Mansoor, where are you going, bro?
I'm going to the stationery shop.
What for?
I have to buy some stationery stuff for my son, so I'm going there.
Wow, did he get admission?
Yes, Masha Allah. He has gotten admission in first class in Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama, Lucknow.
Masha Allah. Congratulations.
Thank you, Farhan Bhai.
Mansoor reaches the stationery shop and talks with the shopkeeper as follows.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hello, sir. I am good. Please tell me how I may help you.
Thank you for asking. Yes, I want to buy some books for my son.
That is great. Please tell me what kinds of books you want to buy.
What kind of books do you have, sir?
We have all kinds of books by famous writers.
Do you sell the syllabus book of Nadwa?
Yes, of course.
Okay, could you show me the catalogue?
Here is the catalog.
Yes, please give me this book.
Which book, sir?
This one, Golden English Grammar, written by Mr. Habib Riaz.
Here it is, sir. What else do you want?
Do you have an Urdu to Arabic dictionary?
Here it is, sir. It costs 250 INR.
It does not matter. I would like to buy some writing materials.
What kind of items do you want to buy?
I want 2 notebooks, a pen, a cutter, and an eraser. Do you have all these items available?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Apart from this, give me a city map and a chart as well.
Take this, sir. Done. Or do you want something else?
No, that is all. Thank you. Now please pack all these items.
Yes, I've packed these things. Anything else?
Thanks, that is all.
Okay.
How much should I pay in total for these things?
359 INR only.
Here, take your 359 INR.
Thank you.
Welcome.